Good morning, students. Today we will discuss exercise 10b, that is the word problems based on the percentage. The property of the problem percentage we will use over here, but only it is a word state problem. So exercise 10b question number 1. So exercise 10b question number 1 is Rupesh secures 495 marks out of 750 in his annual examination. Find the percentage of marks obtained by him. So what we have to do? So first of all, we like Rupesh marks. So what is the Rupesh marks? We will write whatever mentioned in the question. So it is 495. And what is total marks? So total marks is equal to 750. So what I do? Rupesh percentage is equal to 495 upon 750 into 100. Now you can solve this and we will get the result. Right? Now question number 3. I do the alternate question, students, so that you can have an idea. The excise duty on a certain item has been reduced to 760 from 950. Original price, it's 950. Reduced price, what is reduced price? So it is equal to 760. Rupees 950 and it is rupees 760. What is the reduction? Reduction is equal to 950 minus 760. So that is equal to 190. And then reduction percentage. So reduction percentage is reduction by original value, original price you can say, into 100. And now this can be solved. 190 by 950 into 100. Now you can solve this and we will do this. Now the next question, that is question number 5. Question number 5 says 70% of the students in schools are boys. So if 70% of the students are boys, then how many girls are there? So boys percentage 70. Girls percentage 30. Now what is the question? It is saying if the number of girls is 504, find the number of boys in the school. So let the total students be X. Let the total students be X. So 30% of X is equal to how much given? Number of girls is given as 504. And then we will solve 30 by 100 into X is equal to 504. X is equal to 504 into 100 by 30. 3 1s are 3. 20, 3 6 are 18. 1680 are the total number of students. So number of boys is equal to how much? Total students minus number of girls. So it will be 1680 minus 504. You subtract it, whatever be the answer come, that is your answer, right? Question number 7 says 30% of the maximum boys is required, 36% of the maximum marks is required to pass a test. A student gets 123 marks and it's declared fail by 39 marks. Find its maximum marks. So it is passing percentage. What is the passing percentage? It is 36%. Students scored marks 123. Failed by how much? 39. So now if student scores 123 plus 39, that is equal to 9 plus 3, 12, 362. 162. So 162 is equal to what? 36% of total marks. Because if we are adding 39, so that will be the passing percentage. If student scores this, so this is equal to passing marks. So both are equal, and now I will solve. 36 by 100 into total marks is equal to 162. And then total marks is equal to 162 into 100 by 32. And now solve for x and total marks. You will get the total marks or the maximum marks. Right? Now the next question, question number 9. Question number 9 says, in an examination, 72% of the total examinees passed. If the number of failure is 392, find the total number of examinees. In an examination, 72% of the total examinees passed. Examinees passed. How much percentage? 72%. So, failed one, failed examinees, 100 minus 72, that is 28%. And what it is equal to given? 392. So 28% of total student is equal to 392. So this means 28% of total students is equal to 392. Again, I will solve this value. So 28 by 100 into total students is equal to 392. So total students is equal to 392 into 100 divided by 28. And then we will solve for x. Okay. Now question number 11. Question number 11 says, gunpowder contains 75% of nitre, 10% of sulfur, and the rest of it is charcoal. Find the amount of charcoal in 8 kg of gunpowder. Gunpowder is how much? Gunpowder is equal to 8 kg. What is the content of the others? Nitre, 75%. Sulfur, 10%. So what is charcoal percentage? So charcoal is just means 100 minus 75 plus 10%. So this is 100 minus 85, that is equal to 15%. So this implies 15% of 8 kg is equal to charcoal. Okay, because gunpowder is composition is these three things. So now I will solve. 15 by 100 into 1000 kg. So 1000 grams. So this is our answer. Okay. Now next question number 13. In question number 13, what is the question says? Sonal went to school for 219 days in a full year if her attendance is 75%. So total at number of present days, how many number of days she is present? Number of days present, you can say. Number of days present is equal to 219. That is equal to 75%. So this implies 75% of total working day. Total working day is equal to 290. So this is 75 by 100 into total working days. Total working day is equal to 290. So total working day can be written as 219 into 100 divided by 75. Now question number 15. Question number 15 says, in an election, there were two candidates A and B. The total number of voters in the constitution was 60,000 and 80% of the total voters were polled. So number of voters is how much? Number of voters polled voters 80% of 60,000. So yahan we will have 48,000. So from this 48,000, 60% of the poll votes were cast in favor of A. So 60% cast in favor of A. In favor of A. But 40% cast in favor of B. So we will say 40% of 48,000. Right? So this is 40% of 48,000. That is the votes for B. Candidate B. So the question is like this. Now question number 17. Question number 17 says, the price of a sweater is increased by 8%. If the increased price is 1566, find the original price. So let the original price be X. So X plus 8% of X is equal to new price, that is 1566. And now we can solve this value and we will get the answer. How you will solve? X plus 8 by 100 into X is equal to rupees 1566. So this can be written as 100x plus 8x divided by 100 is equal to 1566. 108x divided by 100 is equal to 1566. X is equal to 1566 into 100 divided by 108. Right? So this is how we solve our question. Okay. Now next question. Now question number 19. Question number 19 says, a number is increased by 20% and the increased number is decreased by 20%. Find the increase or decrease percent. So let the number be 100. So let the number be 100. Increased by how much? 20%. So new number will how much? New number is equal to 120. 100 plus 20. Now decreased by 20% again. So 20% of what? So 20% of 120. So new value will be this is 20% of 120. So 20 by 100 into 120. 24. So you will decrease 120 minus 24. Decreased value. So this is equal to 96. So how much is the decrease from the original value? 4. So total decrease is how much? Total decrease is equal to 4%. Okay, because from the original it is decreased by 4. So that's why it is decreased by 4%. So that's all for today, and try to do the questions. I have done the alternate questions. You will also try the questions by the same method. So goodbye students. Have a nice day.